Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making pickled onions. We are just going to cut off the tops and bottoms and peel these onions. Oops. I'm sure you don't want to watch me peel all of these onions. So as if by magic, there we go. I'm going to get these into a pot with some water and bring them to a boil. As soon as they are boiling, you're going to want to strain them. You don't want to leave these in too long. This should be enough to fill 2 pint-size mason jars. Just chopping up into half some of the bigger ones. This is my first time making pickled onions, but they were so easy. I will let you know how they turn out. Next we are going to add the vinegar to these onions. You just want to pour this vinegar until it covers the onions. Now I'm just making sure there's no air holes. And cleaning the top of that, because these are going to sit for a while and we don't want there's any vinegar on the top. It might go mouldy, so we don't want that. And I'm just putting the lids on. I'm not going to can these, I'm just going to store them. And it's as simple as that. Easy. Let me know if you try this and I'll let you know how they turned out. Enjoy.